I can snug him up, we'll be good. I think. The heck is falling out of here? Damn box has got to get out of my way. That's terrible. I can't do anything with that box like that. This damn Nokia box. Yeah, it's got to go. It's got to get out of my way. This thing. Let me just at least pull it down. I could restrap it up later, but it's in my way. Yeah, that was just the cable breaking. Don't worry. It didn't sound great, but that was the cable. Not your shifter cable, but the little tie cable it had on it. Yeah, I got it out of my way. It was just in my way in the perfect. Yeah, well, I don't know what it's hooked to, so I'm kind of cautious on doing that, but I got it away. I got it far enough out now to where I can access what I need to. It was just so annoying. It was right in my point, right in my way for a second. All right, so I need to get right up in there and tighten those screws, I believe. Let's see if I can see what size they are. Star bit 2, of course. Yep, a star bit. 2 of them right there. And that should go to the back of the shifter column. I know one's backed out all the way. This should hopefully fix it. Better view on this side. We're going to get a little better view for you. I'm going to give you a bit to see what I was talking about. Usually this is what happens on the sports. If I take a wild guess, I'm definitely saying this is a repair. This is going to be it. Educated guess, not a wild guess. There we go. You can see how they're backing out. Yep, I think that's going to be it. Just got to find the screw to match that guy up and snug it. If I get my hand in there first and see how loose that thing is. Oh, wow, yeah. They're very loose. I'm literally hand spinning those guys. I'm doing it with my hand right now. I'm going to check it in a second here, but literally doing it with my hand. See, tighten it with my hand and see how tight it'll get. That is crazy loose. Really, really, really loose. Now, hopefully it's not too loose. I just can't tighten it. I don't know. Maybe they won't never snug up. They're really, really, really loose. So, wow. That is extremely loose. So, we'll say that. Okay. That guy may even be stripped. With my hand spinning on it. I think my hand's spinning on it now. Let's see if that thing feels any tighter. We see how I just literally tightened with my hand. I think that is going to do it though. It's much tighter already. I don't know if I can move my hand anymore. Yeah, so it's not spinning.
You think you got it?
I think I got it, yeah, with my hand. But I'm just trying to get it hand tight, and we'll see if it improves. If it improves, then guess what? I know that's your problem. Let's see how the shifter feels now. It's still loose, like I said, but it's not as loose as it was. So. Let's see how the shifter does now. All right, let's see here. Oh wow! Where's your key? You got your key? And that's amazing. If I just got that, that'd be great for you, of course, and for me, and both. So right now we got him hand tightened. So the shifter does. Oh, it's still loose. Feels very loose. Still feels better than it was. So until I get them all the way tight, it's gonna be hard to tell.
It seems kind of loose.
But yeah, until I get it all the way tight, it's gonna be hard to tell. But they're definitely really loose. So that part right there, I should be able to adjust it a different way. You may have 2 issues going on here, but at least it's going into park and drive. This may be the other little adjuster piece I was telling you about. Let me go up in there and try to get the other adjuster. And try to see if I can get it. No, that's not going to go anywhere. The way I have it, I got the parking brake on, but I'm not pushing it. Only thing now is I'm going to try to get the other adjuster piece right here. And I'm going to try to get him adjusted a little differently. By getting him right there adjusted up in there. That guy right there's got to be adjusted perfectly too. Got 2 different ones we got to adjust, so. See how that guy feels. I get too tight. Got too tight last time. Couldn't get it off. So. Let's see how that guy's gonna feel now. Sometimes a little plastic clip comes off of those as well. Let me just see how that feels. Ouch. Bump my head too. Bump my head, bump everything. All right, we'll try it now. Let's see how she does. Oh, wow. Still very loose. I think it's the problem up in the linkage up here. It's got to be up here, I believe. I think you got your main issue, though. Tell me how much nicer that feels real quick. Go in there and shift it. Now, it's not 100% yet because I think you may have another issue. But it's not all the way tight. I just hand tightened the screws right now. They definitely backed out. Tell me how much it feels like you can feel it go into gear better.
Yeah.
Put it back. It's an amazing difference, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just with my hand. If I get the screws all the way tight, that may do it. Oh yeah, let's go start. Sure.
No, I won't.
You get in park all the way? All right, let me try it quick again. Yeah, it's not all the way tight. Like I said, I just got him hand tight. Yeah, I just got him hand tight, so it still needs a few adjustments. But I think that's it. At least it's moving a lot better.
Yeah.
So I think I snug them up all the way tight, and we're good.
Yeah, I think so. I think you're right.
Yep, I believe that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna snug it up and then finish the adjustments, and that may just take care of that. Let me go ahead and get the right, the right tool bag out, and we'll finish this guy up.